Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends where you're watching this amazing video from. I come straight from East Africa, Kenya, guys. In a small village called Nyabuhansi. Today, I'm in the forest, just seeing the nature. You can hear the nature. Very cool. Today I have all my dogs. You can see, guys. Hey, guys, this is called Ciaro. This is called Ciaro, and the other one, this is called Forest. This is called Forest, guys. Stop. Yes, guys. I know, guys. I'm very young in YouTube. I have like, I think 400 and something subscriber. I'm still growing. There, just a fine good day. Today no rain. They went in the shamba. I finished doing work at the shamba. Now I'm just walking with my dogs, my lovely dogs, around the forest. Yes, guys. You can see you can hear the nature, the birds and everything. For me, I don't know how I can say. I just want one day to be a very good YouTuber, but I don't know how to start. I don't know who can teach me about this YouTube. Guys, I have that heart of being a YouTuber, a content creator, but I don't know how I can start doing it. I'll have to look for someone in Nyabuhansi village to give me a little knowledge about YouTube, and that will make me at least grow to become a content creator. Yeah, one time I'll be one of the amazing content creator. You can see, guys, dogs are drinking water. I have even this one. Rex, come. Rex, say hello. For me, I love dogs. I don't think if I'll stop loving dogs. For me, I love dogs. Wait, Ciaro, come. Ciaro, come. Kuja. Usiende huko. Don't go. Ciaro is very, when he sees goats. Hey. Ciaro, when he sees goats, nobody will call Ciaro to hear. Now I don't want Ciaro to walk to leave me behind. Ciaro is very rude when he sees the dogs, guys. Today he said Ciaro to walk free. This is amazing challenge. This is amazing challenge to Uncle Jamaican uncle. So you have white or brown. And me, I have Ciaro. And this one called Forest. And Rex is behind there. Rex. I don't, the smaller one. I don't have name of the smaller one. You can see, here is it, the smaller one. Here is it. I don't have the name of the smaller one, but it's a Rottweiler. I don't have the name of this one, the smaller one. Rottweiler breed. Just a friend, but the food of these dogs are so expensive. Are so expensive, guys. Jamaican uncle. Challenge. Come, Ciaro. Come and sit down. Sit down, nice, down. Yes, very good. This is a challenge from to Jamaican uncle. Show me, Jamaican uncle. Yours. You can see. Ciaro, come, Ciaro, sit. You can see now. Sit down, Ciaro. Down. Ciaro, sit down. Jamaican uncle. The bees are so many. Wow. I'm from the river, just walking around the forest. You can see the green nature. Let's go home. Twende home. Twende nyumbani. Twende nyumbani is let's go home in Swahili language, guys. Hey, the blue sky. Wow, it's about to rain. I can see the blue sky. It's about to, you can see, guys. Everywhere is blue. Everywhere is blue. The blue sky. The green. We are blessed here in Nyabohanse, in East Africa, Kenya, in a small village called Nyabohanse. We are blessed. Guys, when you see this amazing video, consider subscribing, guys, and commenting so that we talk at you to the home. I keep growing. I'm very young in YouTube. This is tired. That's why it's so small. Very small. That's why I'm carrying it. Very tired. Very tired, guys. That's why I'm carrying it. Today I've said just they wanna walk. They have a walk with me in the forest. Yes, guys. Now consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and commenting. I could like to have dogs. These are just four. You can see one is there, another one, and the Ciaro. Where is Ciaro? Ciaro is here. I could like to have even 5 of them, 10 of them. Yes, guys, have a good day and keep supporting me. Bye.